In The Phantom Menace, there was a brief shot of a few ET-like aliens in one of the Senate scenes. George Lucas added them as an Easter egg after making a promise to do so to Steven Spielberg, who included Star Wars toys and a Yoda cameo in his movie E.T. the Extraterrestrial. In the Star Wars universe, these ET-like aliens were actually referred to as Asogians. They were distinguishable by their long arms and red eyes, and by their brown or yellow skin. Like Wookiees, most Asogians were unclothed. They originated from the planet Brodo Asogi, also known as the Green Planet, another reference to the E.T. movie. The planet and the Asogian people were represented by Senator Greebliups in the Republic Senate. Senator Greebliups was best known for wanting to fund an extragalactic expedition, possibly outbound flight. Near the end of the Clone Wars, Greebliups was a part of the delegation of 2000, a group of senators who were against Supreme Chancellor Palpatine from gaining any more power. After the formation of the Galactic Empire, Senator Greebliups was charged with treason and arrested. The only other known Asogian is Braxis, who had a brief encounter with Luke Skywalker after the Battle of Endor, helping the Jedi by revealing information to him on a traitor. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. And as always, may the Force be with you.